Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be showing you how to e-file your TDS returns. To begin with, visit the Income Tax Department website and log in with your deductor credentials. Once you have logged in, click on e-file and go to Income Tax Forms. Here, click on File Income Tax Forms. Now, you get to see various types of forms. You can go to the Deduction of Tax at Source form and select File Now. Now, you need to select the form type, financial year and the quarter, and then click on Fetch Details. Once the details are fetched, you need to select the upload type, that is regular or correction. Now, upload the FBU zip file and then you can proceed to e-verify. You can see here that multiple methods are available for e-verification. Let us understand all the methods one by one. To e-verify using an Aadhaar OTP, ensure that you have access to the mobile number linked with your Aadhaar. First, select the option to enable e-verification with Aadhaar OTP. Provide your consent to validate Aadhaar details and click Generate Aadhaar OTP. Enter the Aadhaar OTP received on your mobile number registered with Aadhaar and click Validate. Post verification, a message confirming your successful e-verification is displayed. Let us now understand how to e-verify using DSC. For this service, ensure that you have a valid Class 2 or Class 3 DSC procured from a certifying authority in India. The DSC should be plugged into your system. Now choose the option to verify using a DSC on the e-verify page and confirm that you have downloaded and installed the mSigner utility and click on Continue. The utility can be downloaded by clicking the hyperlink underneath Help on the data sign page. Select your provider certificate and enter the provider password. Click on Sign. Post verification, a message confirming your successful verification is displayed. E-verification is an important but easy process. With this, your TDS e-filing is complete. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that this was helpful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such updates.